today I'm going to be decorating this black Christmas tree I picked up at Walmart last year for 90% off. And this is going to go on my front porch where I currently have a Boston fern. So I'll bring that in for the winter, and then this is going to replace it. Let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to start with is the star for the top of the tree. And these were purchased at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use 2 of them. I'll take the tags off, and then I'll just glue them together, and they'll go right on the top. There we go, the star is attached to the top, all ready to decorate now. Now since the tree is already black, I'm not going to use black bulbs to decorate this. I'm just going to use the gold and white. And first I'm going to put the ribbon on the top, and then we'll attach the bulbs. There we go, the tree is completely done with all the bulbs and the ribbon and the star on top. Now we're just gonna go and put it outside on the porch. So on the porch, we have the fern that's just on a table here. I'm gonna remove that, and we're gonna put the tree right in the middle of the window here, and then we're also gonna put garland and lights around there tomorrow. I also replaced the pillowcases on the porch pillows from my bees to fleur-de-lis to match the rest of the decor. My pillows for the porch have to coordinate. So I got these pillows from Walmart. They were $5 each during the summer, and I picked these pillow covers up from Amazon, and I think they were $9.99 for the set. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch those out. There we go, and just like that, we've got matching Saints pillows to go with the porch decor. Tree is all set up on the porch. It's so pretty. There we go. I can't wait to get the garland and the lights around the windows. And I think I'm going to come back and add some of the footballs that I have on the tomato cage trees over there to make it coordinate more.